All right, lads, we are about to do day 3. I'm not live streaming this one because I don't have that much time, but I'm ready to go at any moment. Day 3. Let's fetch it. Okay, so I got it. Okay, a bunch of binary numbers. Cool. So only the first bit. Okay. What? Okay. Okay. So is it the opposite? So I don't even have to calculate the most common. So easy peasy. I mean, I probably will in the second part, but oh well. Slash n dot for each. Well, actually, I probably should do a standard for loop. I is less than let binary equal input dot split, because I don't need a parse them, so I just do split, and then let gamma equal that, and then ones, zeros. Then binary dot link dot plus plus. Actually, I need to do or at j equals 0, j is less than binary of 0 dot length, because you need to go through each one specifically. And then here, and then for each one, so if binary of I, j is equal to 1, ones plus plus, else zeros plus plus. So then, if ones is greater than zeros, gamma plus equal 1, else gamma plus equal 0, and then reset ones and zeros. So if I get rid of this one, so that should give me the gamma. And just see if that works. Okay, perfect. And so good news is that we can get how do I spell epsilon? Epsilon is equal to the opposite. So gamma dot split by that dot map element, and then if element is equal to 1, return 0, else return 1, because I mean it's just the opposite, and then dot join that. So if we do that, we should get the opposite of that. Perfect. So then return parse int gamma, and then 2 times parse int epsilon 2. And then that should be our number. There we go. That's nice. So then, next, that's a lot of words. Then okay, so the bit criteria. So then what do I need to... Okay, so we need to find so part 2, we need to find. Okay, so that seems pretty simple. So then we don't need gamma anymore. We still need ones and zeros though. So we go through it, and then we go through it, and then we got the ones and zeros. And so then if ones is greater than zeros, then that means that we need to keep the ones with ones. So then we need to say binary.filter, because we're filtering, element, and then we're only keeping the elements with the first bit is 1. And so we got that. And so then we could just do this one line. I know this is wasting time or whatever, so then if not, then we're only keeping the ones with 0 bits. And so while, and we need a while loop, while binary dot length is greater than 1. Keep doing this. And so just to prove that this works, console.log binary of 0, and then I'm just going to do that. So run. Okay, so it's going to keep doing that over and over again. I don't know if it works because I don't know, so I can actually put these numbers in there because this should stop. So yeah, so it is an infinite loop. So I can do some simple testing so I can see what binary is. Okay, so no number gets removed. Oh, because I never say binary is equal to binary.filter. So then, yeah, that should work. Nope. It only has gotten rid of 3 of them. So let me see what the problem is. Yeah, this one's gonna be a while. Let me just see what happens. Well, obviously, yeah, that doesn't really work. Oh, I know what. Let me see what gets filtered out. So 7 numbers get filtered out, which is true if I look here. That means the 7 of them. Good. But then, oh, it's because I never reset ones and zeros. 1 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. Oh, cannot read length of undefined. Wet what? 8. Oh, well, because apparently I get rid of it. If binary length is equal to 1, let oxygen equal nothing right now. Oxygen is equal, well, to binary of 0. Oh, and then I need to break And actually, I don't need this while loop now that I think about it. Oh, 8 still. Console.log binary. Okay, console.log oxygen. Does it get rid of all of them? Apparently it does. Console.log ones, zeros. So 7, 5, and then 3, 4. Do that just in case. Oh wait, this is not supposed to be 0. This is supposed to be J. Here we go, and then. Oh, this is wrong. So, ooh. Oh, okay, so it's different. So then we need to do an else if 1's equal to zeros. Okay, well I can do that. Boom. So yeah, there we go. So that's for oxygen. So now we gotta get rid of all this. And then, so we have to say binaries back to the input. 1's and 0's are back to 0, even though they are back to 0, so we're good there. And then let carbon equal to blank as well. So now I'm going to get rid of all these console.logs because we don't need them anymore. And so the least common value, so less. And then when carbon, and I'm just going to see if this works. Yep. So now we need to return, same as before, oxygen 2 times carbon 2. So that's wasn't that bad. 230. Well, that's for this number. I just need to do that for my input. Perfect. There we go. And I got rank. I got really good ranks. Oh my goodness. Let me see. So this guy is pretty good. Let me see. So it took me 4 minutes straight up to do it, and it took me almost 13 minutes to do the second puzzle, which is not that good. Yeah, you can see like these are gold. Well, you can't see it. These are gold, but like since this part is not that good, but I still got 258, 247, which is my highest rank so far, which is good. Let me just see how fast they did it. So someone took 4 minutes to do it. Someone took 1 minute. So what I would not have been close to leaderboard. I was still way behind, but